Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Birds are unharmed on high-voltage lines, because they touch only one wire and don't experience voltage as the difference of potentials. However, birds also seem quite comfortable there. The wire obviously has some resistance and the current generates some heat, so the wire is indeed warmer than the air.
Take our lead.
There is a gap between the three-phase wires of the poles. The voltage of the wires are same but their phases are different, so when a bird, say sitting on one wire, elongates its wings and the wing gets accidentally touched with the adjacent wire, current passes through the bird. Same happens with bats.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
In some neighborhoods, shoes tied together and hanging from power lines or tree branches signify that someone has died. The shoes belong to the dead person. The reason they are hanging, legend has it, is that when the dead person's spirit returns, it will walk that high above the ground, that much closer to heaven.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Birds can be injured or killed when they collide with electric lines in mid-flight. Although birds of all sizes and types collide with wires, their behavior and body type put them more at risk for line collisions.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.